If a student's biological or adoptive parents are divorced or separated, they will need to determine which parent is considered the custodial parent when it is time to complete the FAFSA and the CSS financial aid profile. The definition is straightforward. Your custodial parent is the parent with whom you lived with for the greater number of days in the 12 calendar months preceding the month in which you complete the FAFSA or the profile. So, if you complete the FAFSA in January of 2017, you would refer to your living situation for January through December of 2016 to determine your custodial parent. Financial aid custody is not determined by the level of financial support or by who claims the student on the tax return or by who is legally responsible for paying for college. If the custodial parent is remarried, the step-parent's financial information must be included as well, even if there is a specific agreement that the step-parent is not responsible for paying for college. There are some schools that require information from the non-custodial parent as well. As a general rule, colleges that award a lot of need-based institutional grant require information from both parents, regardless of marital status. These schools require students to submit the CSS profile and a special non-custodial parent form in addition to the FAFSA. The College Board administers an online non-custodial profile form that many colleges use. When the non-custodial parent is unwilling to cooperate, the student is put in a difficult situation that will likely prevent them from attending those schools that require non-custodial information. This is because eligibility for institutional need-based financial grant is typically based on the estimate of ability to pay and not willingness to pay. So both parents must complete the required forms for the student to be eligible for all aid. If a school requires non-custodial parent information and it is not received, the financial aid application will usually remain incomplete and no institutional need-based grant will be awarded. The student will still be awarded federal aid based upon the FAFSA, but the school will almost certainly withhold institutional support. Students who think they might face this situation should speak with the school financial aid office about the school's non-custodial parent policy before applying for admission so that they are not stuck in an impossible situation at the end of the process. There are some exceptions. Some colleges will waive the non-custodial parent requirement if there are special circumstances, such as the student does not know where the non-custodial parent is and/or there has been no contact, or there is very limited or no contact because of an abusive situation that can be documented. Divorce decrees and other legal agreements have no bearing on who is required to complete the financial aid application. If both parents are involved in the student's life in any way, both must submit the required forms.